Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome to my channel. It's Janine. If this is your first time visiting me, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. I have been on a wellness journey for quite some time now. I've lost a lot of weight and I'm still working on getting more weight off. Part of my wellness journey has been the Whole30. I have posted multiple videos on this channel with Whole30 hauls, and now I'm going to do some Whole30 cooking. I did a grocery haul video last week where I talked about prepping to cook Whole30. So without further ado, I'm going to jump in. Today, I'm going to work on 3 recipes, 2 side dishes, Brussels sprouts and string beans, and a chicken dish that's going to be super easy to prepare. I'm going to cook it in my Instapot. Well, not all of it, the chicken, right? So what I'm going to do now is, show you the cookbook that I'm using loosely. This is Whole30 Fast and Easy. And I purchased the cookbook off of Amazon for a sale price of about $20. I don't remember the exact price, but I found a great deal at a Goodwill and I'm gonna get it. Recently, I was at a Goodwill and I found this book, the Whole30. This is, I think, one of the original books. It cost $1.99, and this book is full of recipes in the back. You got grilled chicken, well, that's a chicken. What else is on here? Grilled salmon, grilled shrimp, etc., etc. This book contains, I'm not sure how many recipes. This book contains more than 100 recipes. Had I found this book at the Goodwill for $1.99, I might have held off on ordering this other cookbook. Check out your local thrift stores and see if you can find the Whole30 cookbook. You know, you probably won't find the brand new book, but you may find this one. This book came out in, oh no, 2015. This book was published in 2015. Maybe you'll be able to find it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is change the view on the camera so we can get started, and I'm going to start with the Brussels sprouts. These Brussels sprouts were super easy to make. I've inserted the ingredients on a slide, and you just mix all of that together, toss it on your Brussels sprouts, and roast at 400. That's what it looked like once they were coated with the seasoning and right before I put them in the oven, and when they came out, they were absolutely delicious. I'll give you guys a view of everything at the end. I love this green beans recipe. Heat a tablespoon of coconut oil in your saute pan. Get it nice and hot, add your green beans, and just let them blister. Let them start cooking. You're going to stir a little bit, but you want to get the color on the green beans. Now, I decided that I wanted to add some fresh garlic. So these green beans are really so good. I added some Pacific organic vegetable broth, low sodium, and just a teaspoon of the Trader Joe's coconut aminos. You can see that I have the string beans and the garlic in the pan. I started with a tablespoon of coconut oil. I think I said that already. And they taste really good. I mean, they taste really good. Over to the side, I have my Brussels sprouts, and I almost forgot to mention the organic pure lemon juice. This is just lemon juice, and it's such a time saver. I bought limes, not lemons, so no lemon zest, but I did add a teaspoon of lemon juice to the string beans and also a teaspoon of lemon juice to the Brussels sprouts, and both taste really good. Consider this a bonus recipe. This recipe is not in the book. It's one of my favorites. These are potatoes. I bought some organic potatoes from Whole Foods, I believe, a couple of weeks ago. I got a great price on them. I just scrubbed them real good and chopped each one, halved it, and then quartered it sprinkled on a couple of turns of fresh black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt, which is not very much salt, but you know, I can always add more. You can add, but you can't take away. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground paprika and a full tablespoon of organic olive oil. Tossed it. It's in the same pan that the Brussels sprouts was in, and I'm going to roast these potatoes on 400, and they may steam just a little bit because they're not on a flat sheet, but that's quite all right with me, and they'll be nice and crisp on the outside and a little soft on the inside. They're going to be delicious. I can't wait. The next recipe I'm going to share with you guys is for a really simple chicken, and it has kosher salt, black pepper, cumin, garlic and onion powder, about 3/4 of a cup of this chipotle and lime salsa, which is Casa Mamacita. I bought this at Aldi, and I thought I had enough for a full cup. I didn't, and I thought I had picked up another 2 of the same flavor, and I didn't. So I also added a little bit of this double fried roasted salsa. In the pot, I have 2 large chicken leg quarters, 2 carrots chopped, and the salsa. I rub the seasoning on the chicken, and I'm just gonna put the lid on and cook it for 12 minutes. One of the things you may notice is that the sauce is really glistening and that there's some oil on the sauce. That's because I left the skin on the chicken. I didn't add any fat, to the pot. So you can always just remove the skin from your chicken if you'd rather have it skinless. Hey guys, I'm back filming the end to the video. While I was editing the video, I realized that I stopped filming. I'm sure I was busy doing something. You know how life is. I hope you enjoyed this video. I gave you 3 side dishes and 1 really super easy chicken dish. I hope all is well in your world. Be blessed. Until next time. Bye now.